Mount Holly, northern Mercer County in central New Jersey, southwestern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, southeastern Hudson County in northwestern New Jersey until 6:15 p.m. At 2:11 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across portions of the Warren Area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1. Possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Cloverhill, Stillman, and Flagtown. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths currently